Your brain is running out of fuel right now. Not because you haven't eaten, because a single molecule you've never thought about is deciding whether your neurons can actually use what you ate. It's called thiamine, vitamin B1, and without it, glucose is just expensive sugar water. Here's the part no one mentions when they tell you to eat for energy. Energy doesn't come from calories. It comes from a series of chemical reactions so precise that removing one vitamin can shut down the entire system. Thiamine is that vitamin. It sits at the center of the Krebs cycle, the metabolic engine that turns food into ATP, the actual currency your cells spend to stay alive. No thiamine, no ATP, no ATP. Your body starts rationing power like a failing grid. Thiamine doesn't give you energy, it unlocks it. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose. But glucose can't become energy on its own. It needs to be processed through a pathway called glycolysis, then fed into the mitochondria, where the real work begins. Thiamine, in its active form called thiamine pyrophosphate, acts as a coenzyme. It doesn't do the work itself. It makes the work possible. Specifically, it activates enzymes that pull electrons off glucose molecules and shuttle them through the cycle that generates ATP. Without it, the cycle stalls. Glucose piles up. Your cells starve in the presence of food, and your nervous system, it's the first to fail. Neurons are energy hogs. They need constant ATP just to maintain the electrical charge that lets them fire. When thiamine runs low, nerve function degrades fast. Now here's the uncomfortable part. Thiamine deficiency isn't some distant tropical disease. It's showing up in ERs across wealthy countries. Alcoholics, people on highly restrictive diets, patients after bariatric surgery, even some elderly populations living alone on tea and toast. The condition is called beriberi. It presents as heart failure, muscle wasting, and neurological collapse. In severe cases, it mimics a stroke. And because it's so rare in modern medicine, doctors often miss it. By the time it's recognized, the damage can be permanent. Meanwhile, the supplement industry sells you B-complex pills with 8,333% of your daily thiamine needs. You don't need that. Your body can't store water-soluble vitamins. Excess thiamine just ends up in your urine, literally flushed away. What you actually need is consistent low-level intake. A handful of peas, an orange, whole grains that haven't been stripped and enriched back to mediocrity. The biology is simple. The marketing is not. Thiamine won't boost your energy if you're already getting enough. But if you're not, you won't feel tired, you'll feel broken. And the line between enough and not enough is thinner than most people think. So maybe the question isn't whether you're optimizing your B vitamins. Maybe it's whether you'd even notice if you weren't.